We are here at Camana Sanctuary Resort for an overnight builders outing. At dito po kami sa 109 room. Ang ganda. Ayan po, may malaking TV, laki ng kama. Uy, meron na po palang 2 tao na nagre-relax. Malinis. Yun, ito po ang CR. Dan. Ayan, malinis din po. So maraming nakalagay, may shampoo, may sabon, may merong mga glasses, toothbrush, toothpaste, yan, malinis po. Sarap mag-shower. Yan, nandiyan na lahat, shampoo, sabon, ayun, towel.